This is day 4 of mastering the art of selling through copywriting. And today, we're unlocking one of the most powerful skills in digital marketing: how to write irresistible hooks. Because online, you don't get 10 seconds to impress someone. You don't even get 1 full second. A strong hook decides everything. It decides whether someone scrolls past you or stops, listens, and eventually buys. So today, let's make sure your audience actually stops. Here are 10 proven hook formulas, with real examples you can start using right away. The curiosity hook: what nobody tells you about building wealth. The pain point hook: if you're struggling to stay consistent, watch this. The desire hook: want to learn copywriting without wasting months? The shock hook: 95% of people fail at online business. Here's why. The mistake hook: stop posting random content. It's killing your growth. The secret hook: this is the trick top marketers use but never talk about. The before and after hook: last year, I had 0 clients. Today, I work with people around the world. The time saver hook: do this one thing and save yourself months of trial and error. The benefit hook: this simple writing tweak doubled my conversions. The pattern break hook: wait, don't scroll. You've never heard copywriting explained like this. Hooks don't need to be long. They just need to be clear, emotional, and impossible to ignore. Tomorrow, we take this even deeper. But for today, practice these formulas, use them everywhere, and watch your engagement explode.